Arizona. And brought this thing up to mimic that exact aircraft, and so it's pretty true to scale with the markings. He actually took this plane down to Tucson a couple of years ago and got pictures with the full-scale plane that it's modeled after, along with the pilot that flies that F-16. Spencer's also done some 3D printing, printed up some ordnance so that the missiles and the tanks and everything on this aircraft are all 3D printed. He also printed some extra 3D panels to put on the aircraft to make it look more at scale. And he's done a really nice job on this plane. Spencer, keep it low, please. On the F-16. And then you can see how much power that 300 turbine puts out, because you can go vertical in that thing pretty good.
On the field, guys.
All right, we got a pilot on the runway. Pilot on the runway. On that L-39, he put the gear down, the flaps down, and he's making his approach now. Looks like he's got it.
Done.
Nice recovery and landing there, Rick.
So Spencer will pull that out. Hear that gun? So he's under some keyword
is there, so when you come to show some of the house, it's
yeah, if you've been watching that F-16, Spencer's been putting it through his paces pretty good. I think he's going to slow it down now. I think he's got the speed brakes out on the tail. As this plane flies by, if you look at the tail where the exhaust pipe is on this aircraft, You'll see a couple of white spots. Those are the clamshell speed brakes that, just like on the real F-16, those are what the pilot uses to slow the airplane down. He's got this really slow, and he's doing what we call a high alpha pass. Real slow when you go high. And then of course he's got the power to climb right out of that.
He's turning now, so behind him will be good. Whatever you want. 135.
Alright, looks like Spencer's got the gear down on that F-16. I'm pretty sure he's going to do another slow flyby with the gear down and the brakes out. Check to make sure that everything is deployed properly before he sets up for landing. Look close.
I hate you. You landing on this one? Okay. He's landing on this one. We'll land after him. Okay.
Global mic jet. I believe that's the 2-meter wingspan. And it looks like he's going to be setting up for landing after Spencer gets in here. Spencer's on final. And just about ready to touch down that F-16. Right. Right down the middle.